What is going on, you guys? My name is Daniel, and usually on this channel we review things like the EOS R and just Canon mirrorless cameras in general. But yesterday I realized I spent $4,000 on a thumbnail. Like, what? I spent $4,000 on a thumbnail, and here's how it happened. So I realized that I spent this much money on this thumbnail when I sent it over to a buddy. It was like, hey, take a look at this thumbnail. And then I realized I've never worn the tux before. And then that got me thinking, what was the total cost? What did it take me to do this? Because I spent $1,200 on the tux alone. And it's the only time I've worn it. So just for that single wear, it cost me $1,200. And that's not including what I had on it, what I took it with, and anything like that. So that's the first line item. And I'm actually going to come over here and show you exactly what I took it with. So here's all the stuff laid out in front of me. This is the room where it usually happens. I'm usually sitting over there, and this is the light box I had to set up so that it would actually illuminate this place. And here's all the stuff. So I really should have put it out on like a white background or something so that you can see it. But here's the tux right here. This cost me $1,200 to purchase and have tailored and everything. And then the studs, tie, and that one cost me about $200. And then over here, so that was just the stuff I was wearing, was that right there. And then the camera here, the EOS R, cost me 2,100 euros, which I'm just pretending that the dollars and euros are the same, but they're totally not. And then this one cost me about 200, the stand cost me about 100, and the computer cost me about 15. So all in total, these are the items that I used to it, not including like subscriptions or anything like that, that I actually used to edit things. And that was the, like, the total amount comes out to $5,000. Let me move back over here to where there's some more light. Not that, that's really bad light, but let's move back over here. And so those were the things that I used for it, and just blows my mind how much money got wrapped up into that one thumbnail. And specifically, so you could be like, okay, hey, you use your camera more than once divided by how many times you use it. If that's what you're doing with the suit tux. But for argument's sake, let's not do that. The camera that I'm shooting on, 550. That's what I took the photo with, which is why it's a little bit out of focus because I had to take it of myself. And then the EOS R is 2100, so we are there at 650, 2,650 plus the tux, that's 380, and then the stuff, so that's 4,000 right there. And then the computer on top of it is another 15, so $5,500 euros kind of mesh. And if you were to actually convert that into dollars completely, you'd probably end up around $6,000. Wow, this really started out at like 4,000. It just keeps getting higher as I go, which is kind of freaking me out because I kind of feel like just wrapping up the video so I don't figure out that I've wrapped up more money into this one single thumbnail, which is absolutely mind-blowing. So tell me what you think of the thumbnail down below. Have a link to the video that actually links to that it was actually used in. And here we go over the mirrorless cameras, the M50 right here, and then the EOS R over there are always what I'm reviewing and talking about because I think they're absolutely fantastic cameras. If you like that, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel so you can never miss another video. I'm gonna go into the fetal position somewhere and try not to freak out about how much more money I actually figured out was in this, wrapped up into this. So, take care. Have a good day.